Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And yep, I got Dove wasted again, guys. But this time I got Dove wasted at Rite Aid. Now, the deal at Rite Aid is not as good of a deal as I got at CVS because Rite Aid did not have the Dove body butter. So I had to get the Dove Body Love, but it's still a good deal, guys. I would do it over again if I had enough coupons and things to do it over again. Anytime you can save on Dove is good. So what you need to do is make sure that you have your Unilever insert. If you don't have that, you can go on the Dove website and sign up. They'll send you Dove coupons that you can use. They just won't be as high value as the insert coupons that we're using today. And hold on to your receipt because there were some rebates for this Dove Body Love. So maybe they'll reset. And if they reset within 7 days, you can submit your receipt to Ibotta to get some more money back and lower your out of pocket. But you definitely want to make sure that you have the Fetch app downloaded because Fetch is going to give you extra points for all of this stuff. So guys, let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so Rite Aid has the deal spend $30 in select products and you get $10 back in bonus cash. So I end up doing that deal 2 times. You can do the deal twice. I did it twice in one transaction. And the reason I chose to do it that way is because you can also use the coupon spend 60 get $15 back in bonus cash. And that you can use any of them, the circular barcode, the email barcode, the internet barcode, or the app barcode. And remember, you can use each barcode one time on each account. So I figured if I would do the Dove deal twice as well as use the barcode, I would get back a total of $35 back in bonus cash. So that's why I did the deal that way. So what I did is I grabbed 4 of these Dove Body Loves and they were $9.49 a piece. But I used the $3 off paper coupon that came in your Unilever last week. It expires this Saturday, August 13th. So not only does the deal expire this Saturday, but the coupon does too. So each one of these were $9.49, and I used a $3 coupon on each one. At Rite Aid, you can use 4 like coupons in one transaction before anything beeps. Then and remember, we want to get to a total of 60. So then I grabbed 3 of these Dove body washes. The body washes are $8.19. And I used the $1 Dove body wash coupon in that same Unilever insert. And it has the same expiration date. Now, there are coupons in the Rite Aid app that you can use. I just chose not to use those. I just chose to use all paper because I'm just going to save those for another time because I believe the expiration date is longer than the 13th also. So that gives me more time. So guys, I wasn't quite up to my $60, so I wanted to grab something else. And at first I had the Dove hand wash because in that same Unilever insert, it is a Dove hand wash coupon, BOGO coupon, buy one, get one free. And at Rite Aid, the hand wash is part of the spend 30, get 10 deal. And it's priced at, I believe, $4.39. But Rite Aid still has not fixed their register, still has not updated their system, so the BOGO coupons still do not work. And the manager was willing to take the price of one of the hand washes off for me, but I didn't want her to do that because then that would mess up my spend 30, my spend 60, get 15 back, and it would mess up my 2 sets of spend 30, get 10. So I just decided to grab something else. And what I did is I grabbed these little trowel size deodorants. Now I was surprised that these were included in the deal. I seen it when I was going through the store. I seen the store was tagged, and I seen that these deodorants were included, but I really didn't think they were included. I thought that it was like mistagged or something. So I went on the website, and on my app, I looked on the website first, and it was included. It said it was included on the website. Then I looked on the app, and it still said it was included. So I just wanted to double check, because the last thing I want is to get up there, have her hit total, I pay for everything, and then my bonus cash doesn't print out, because if it wasn't right and I would have called customer service, they may not have given it to me, because it truly wasn't included in the deal. But in this case, it was included, so I made out. So I grabbed 2 of these. And the reason I grabbed those instead of getting another body wash or something, because these were $1.49. So that would only be $3 added to my total, instead of like $8 for the body wash or $6 for the body love. And if I would have got the body love for $9 and something, I couldn't have used another $3 coupon, because I already was at my limit of 4, and I didn't want to add the $8.19 on, because then I would have only been able to use the $1 coupon. So to me, this was the best route to go. Plus, adding in this deodorant, then I could sell this entire thing as a bundle, like I've been selling the Dove, the Body Love, the body wash, and the deodorants, but I just been including the bigger deodorants. So I grabbed 2 of these 2 deodorants. Again, they're $1.49. Don't have a coupon for them, again, because they're travel size, but they did bring me to my $60 threshold, so that I could get my 2 sets of bonus cash back for $10 for spending $30, and my $15 in bonus cash for spending $60. So let's go over the receipt, guys, so you can see exactly what happened. Like I said, this was a very smooth transaction, and I would definitely do it again if I had the coupons to do it again. All right, so here you see the travel size deodorant for $1.49. Then you see the Dove Mango body wash. Then the other travel size deodorant, the $1 coupon came off the body wash. Then the Dove Moisture Boost for $9.49, $3 coupon came off of that. Another Dove Age, $9.49, $3 coupon came off of that. Then you have the body wash for $8.19, $1 coupon off of that. Another Age Embrace, $9.49, $3 coupon came off of that. Shea Butter body wash, $8.19, $1 coupon came off of that. Dove Moisture Boost, $9.49, $3 coupon came off of that. And I had a $5 off $30 purchase a CRT register receipt that printed out, so I used that in there also. So there you have it. My total was $45.51 after all the coupons and things. I used some bonus cash to pay, but look, guys, I got back the $35 in bonus cash. And how did I get that? I got the $15. Here, it's going to show you right here. I got the $15 back for the barcode. And then down here, I got the $10 for the Unilever or Sundial products. I got that twice. So 10, 10, and 15 adds up to $35. When you subtract the 35 from the 45.51, that means I paid $10.51 for all of this Dove. So I'm pretty happy with this haul. I hope you're able to go out and do it. If you do, come back and let me know what scent you got, how you made out, how did you mix and match your things, because the deodorant is also included in this. And some other products. So thank you guys very much for tuning in. Give me a thumbs up. And as always, until the next time, keep on saving.